morning, students. In the last class, we have studied how to balance the chemical equations. I have given you some equations to balance. Did you all have solved that? Try to solve them in your homework book. Okay? Today, we will learn two topics, R, M, M. Relative molecular mass. Okay, relative molecular mass. Now what do we mean by relative molecular mass? First of all, how do we get a molecule? Like atoms combine to form a molecule. Now here relative molecular mass means in a molecule we need to add all the masses present in a molecule. Okay? Hence we define RMM as sum of all the masses present in a molecule. Okay? Now, in your textbook, he has given you some of the examples to find out molecular mass of a compound is sum of the masses, atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. Okay? Let us say your first example Na2SO4. Na2SO4. Here you must remember the atomic weights. Already you have studied in your earlier classes. Sodium atomic weight is how much? 23. Sulfur is how much? 32. Oxygen is 16. Now how to calculate the RMM? RMM means total. How many atoms are there in this compound? Sodium, sulfur, oxygen. Okay? How to calculate the RMM? Let us see. First of all, is it a compound? How can we say it as a compound? Because there are different elements. Different elements combine to form a molecule or a compound. Atoms combine to form a molecule. Elements combine to form a compound. Okay? Sodium's atomic weight is 23. Sulfur is 32. Oxygen is 16. In 8th class you might have studied regarding these atomic weights. Okay? Now look at here. How many sodiums are there in this? How many are there? 2. How many sulfurs? 1. How many oxygens? 4. Now look at here. Na2SO4. NaSO. Sodium's atomic weight is 23. Sulfur is 32. Oxygen is 16. From the given compound, how many sodiums? 2. Hence, multiply this atomic weight as there are 2 sodiums. Hence, we are multiplying it with 2. Okay? How many sulfurs? Single. Hence, into 1. How many oxygens? 4. Okay. Now look at here. 23 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 32 into 1, 32. 16 4s are 64. Now what I said? Sum of atomic masses of all elements present in a compound is called as RMM. Now sum means what I need to do? I must add them. Add 4 plus 2, 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 14. This is the RMM value of Na2SO4. Okay, children. Let us do one more problem. Let us see. I have given you C6H12O6. You already know this. What is this? Your glucose. You do this for homework. I am giving you atomic mass. Carbon is 12. Hydrogen is 1. Oxygen is 16. Okay? Calculate the RMM of C6H12O6. Next, this is one example to solve that. Okay? Next, after calculating the RMM, gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight. Say here molecular weight. This is also similar to the earlier one, but here we always calculate this, express this in grams, or we call it as unified mass. Okay? Unified mass, or we always express this in grams. Okay? Let us say how to find CO2, gram molecular weight. How many carbons are there? Only 1. Hence, 12 is the atomic weight of carbon, as we contain only 1 carbon into 1, plus how many oxygens? 2. 2 into 16. 12 into 1, 12 plus 16 into 2, 32. How much? 44 grams. This is the molecular weight of CO2. Okay? Next, percentage composition. In this chapter, all are problems only. Okay? Percentage composition means in any compound, like we have done Na2SO4, now C6H12O6, CO2. Now in these compounds, we need to find out with how much percentage carbon is mixing with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Okay? In such cases, hence they have introduced percentage composition. There is a formula for it. Total weight of the element in a molecule divided by gram molecular weight into 100. Why 100? percentage. Okay, percentage means 100. Okay, how to calculate this percentage composition? Let us see some examples. Say here he has given calculate the percentage composition of various elements in sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula is Na2CO3. Given that the relative atomic masses, oxygen is 16, sodium is 23, carbon is 12. What we need to find? Calculate percentage composition. Now, how to calculate the percentage? Means in this compound Na2CO3, how much is the percentage of carbon? How much is the percentage of oxygen? How much is the percentage of sodium? Okay? How to calculate? Let us see. Percentage, you need to do like this. Composition of, what are the elements there in this? Sodium, carbon, oxygen. First let us find out percentage composition of sodium. Formula is total weight of sodium element by gram molecular weight into 100. How to find the total weight of sodium element in this compound? Okay, as we are finding out percentage of sodium, total weight of sodium element in the given compound we need to first calculate. How many sodiums are there in the formula? 2 sodiums. We know its atomic weight is 23. Hence, as 2 sodiums are there, 2 into 23. What are these? Grams of sodium. These are grams of sodium in the given compound by gram molecular weight. In the last, I have told you how to find the gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight is Na2CO3. As 2 sodiums are there, 2 into 23 plus, how many carbons? Single. Carbon is 12. 12 into 1 plus, how many oxygens? 3. 3 into 16. 23 into 46 plus 12 plus 16 3 is 48. 8 plus 2 10 plus 6 16. 4 4 8. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 106. This is the gram molecular weight of Na2CO3. Hence, in place of gram molecular weight, how much we are getting? 106 into 100. Look at here. 2 into 23 is 46 by 106 into 100. You can divide. 2 23 times, 2 5s, 2 3s. Okay, divide 53 by 23 into 100. How much percentage, how much is the value you are getting? That much is the percentage of sodium mixing with carbon and oxygen to form sodium carbonate. Okay children, this is the way how to find out. Now in the exam, they may ask you, in the given compound, calculate the percentage composition of sodium. They may also ask you calculate the percentage composition of carbon. Calculate the percentage composition of oxygen. Okay, like this we need to find the percentage compositions of different elements in the given compound. Just first your step is atomic masses will be given. Find the gram molecular weight and how many atoms are there. If you are finding for sodium, in this I have 2 sodiums. Hence 2 into its atomic mass into 100 by gram molecular weight. If you divide, you will get the percentage value. Okay, do the division here. Don't leave like that. Okay, write down one problem for homework. Calculate the percentage composition of sulfur and oxygen in SO2 in a compound called SO2. Okay, the atomic weights I have given you. Sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16. First, what you need to do? Percentage composition of sulfur is equal to total weight of the sulfur element by gram molecular weight into 100. SO2 we need to find like this. How many sulfurs are there and oxygens? Find out and substitute. Okay? Try to solve this problem. This is for your homework. Okay? Thank you, children.